Hello and welcome back to my channel. I definitely would let Rudolph join in the reindeer games, so I made this cake dedicated just to him. Here is how I made a light-up glowing Rudolph nose. Starting off with clear glitter ISOMALT, I added red gel coloring to it, melted in the microwave, and then I added cherry edible luxe glitter dust to give it a little extra sparkle. Remember to wear gloves, it is very hot. This hemisphere mold set is in my Amazon storefront. I'll link it in the description. This is the second largest size in the set. I poured 2 hemispheres and I'm just rolling it around here to get it covered. You could certainly pour a second coat of isomalt as well. After it's had time to cool and harden, pop them out and check out the beautiful sparkly red. A few air bubbles so a little flame pops those. These small little LED lights are also in my Amazon storefront. They come in a bunch of different colors. I chose 2 red ones. As a reminder, the LED lights themselves are not edible. The isomalt is, of course, but the lights are not. Isomalt was a tad sticky enough to connect the two, but heating them up with a little flame would help you connect them as well. Next, I made him some antlers. This fondant recipe is on my website and my channel, and this cutter is in my shop. I will link both in the description in the video here. I cut 2 of them and then flip one, so you have 2 mirror images. Let these dry and harden overnight, and then I just gave them some shimmer with Opal Edible Luxe Glitter Dust here. Once these were dry and hard, I added them to my cake with a little buttercream. Lastly, I used my fondant extruder and colored some fondant dark green to create the strands for the lights. I made some ISOMALT Christmas light bulbs as well, which I shared in my previous video if you're looking to make those too. 2 strands, twist them together roughly to look like cords. Attach these to my cake using water where they would touch the fondant antlers and buttercream where they would touch the buttercream cake. Didn't have a real rhyme or reason to how I was adding these, I just kind of put them all over randomly a bit. And if you're interested in seeing my tutorial for making ISOMALT Christmas lights like these, please see my previous video and I will link it here as well. To attach Rudolph's light up nose, I added a little fresh buttercream, stuck it on there, and then turned the lights off. Would you even say it glows? Thanks so much for watching. Happy holidays.